Hello everybody. Going to be a bit of a shorter stream today. Just going to make sure, just going to install some stuff pretty much. I can't be here for too long, but I thought I'd stream because we've got a little guest today. His name is Obi. He's my good boy. You may have seen him in some of my videos. I'm not actually sure. But yeah, just going to check the audio's working. We've got a little guest today. I should have fixed my audio hopefully. So last stream there was lots of crackling. But hopefully that is fixed today. And I had some issues with OBS, so I basically spent all evening trying to solve them. There we go. So yeah, today we're just gonna get right back into our trivia API. I sort of had the urge, I guess, to try and get to where we need to get to. So with the if you remember, we were trying to do our web API stuff. We'd made our capital cities guesser thing, and now we are on the way to making that much better. So basically we need to implement the web API. So yeah, off stream I sort of let's go to here. Wow, see that? There we are. Put myself up here a bit. So off stream I added a function into here, API functions capitals. I added this function here, which basically will be what we call direct from the API. So now we need to go make that API. So to make that API, we're going to use Django, and for that, Obi, yeah, we're going to use a Python virtual environment, aren't we? So we need to make one of those first. So we all know how to make Python virtual environments, I think. So then like that, very easy, very cool. Isn't it? Oh, yeah. And then we activate that, and then activate. I'm going to use Django for my API. So I'm going to pip install Django like this. Okay, and I need to remind myself how to use Django. Django Python. There we are. I always need to do this as a little reminder just of how I even Django. I don't know how to Django despite using it a lot. There we are. I need to install it somehow. There we are, installation. No. This is what I wanted. Django admin, okay. Oh no. He's gone. It's okay, mate. It's okay. Oh, he's sitting at my feet now. Oh well. Oh. Oh well. Right. So we've got our Django thing. We need to start the project. Django admin start project trivia API or just web. Yep. Okay. CD trivia API Python managed by run server. Right. Check this works. Yes. Okay, so we installed it correctly. Step 1 is complete. Good. Not sure why I'm doing this on stream actually. I imagine it's kind of boring, but if you want to watch, you can watch. Okay. So now we need to start app. Python manage py start app. So let's think about the structure here. So my URLs, I want all the trivia to be under one app, really. So I guess for that, we just call the app trivia. I don't think that's very smart. Trivia API, trivia. Yeah, sure. Right. Then no tree. I have to make that smaller, I'm sorry everyone. Trivia YULs. So I always go to my other projects to do this. I just copy the URL config pretty much. Let's look at URLs here and URLs there. Because I always forget this. No one actually remembers this stuff, right? If they do, they are amazing. Yeah, include like this. That's what we need to add here. Import path include, and then we need URL patterns. That. Trivia. Trivia. URLs.py, create that. There we are. Right, okay. And then we yoink this here. Dot import views. Name index. Cool, okay. And then we quickly create a view. I think this is how we do it. It's been a while. Last time I wrote Django was in December. So let's quickly do a quick refresh on how we write all this jazz. Pipeline, views. This is an old project I made. Yeah. That's kind of what I thought. Index, yes, we need request. Turn render, okay. Index request. Return render. Django HTTP response. How do we do that? Because I just want this to make sure we've installed it correctly, right? I kind of think we have, but I am not sure. It's probably in here. Oh yeah. Copy that whole thing. Open it, paste. There we are. Very cool, very cool. Return. HTTP response. And H1, it works. Bang, H1. There we are. Cool. Go back to our index. Trivia. Run the web server. Source. Activate the virtual environment. Oh, did I activate? Am I in the virtual environment here? Yes, okay. Just wanted to make sure that I had installed it in the correct place. Python. What? Oh, CD trivia API. Python manage py run server. There we are. Localhost 8000. It works. Woo! We did it. Okay, so we now have a working Django install. Very cool. Now we can start with. Do I need a model? Not yet. Maybe in the future we can get those, but for now I don't bother. Not going to bother with models. We're just going straight for Django REST framework now. The reason why I'm using Django REST framework, I've not really used it before, but I feel like because eventually I want to have some form of like why can't I think? Some form of authentication. That's rate limiting. That's probably the right word I should use. So I want to be able to be like, ha, no, you've used it too much, and I think this has it built in, and it's something I want to learn anyway. So, installation, pip install this. Okay, let's make a new one. Source vmv activate. There we are. Okay. Not going to do that. Don't really care about these two things for now. Markdown support for the browser API. Alright, I'll install them both, sure. Sounds good. Cool, okay. Install apps REST framework. Oh, I need to add that in my admin, don't I? Trivia API, settings. Oh no, I'm leaking my secret key. Oh dear. Well, I'm not going to use this one in production. It even says insecure, so that's okay. Installed apps. So in here we have to actually put the app that we made, which was trivia, like this. And we also wanted, what was it? REST_framework. There we are. Very cool. Done. If you intend to use the browsable API, which we want to, you'll probably need to add the REST framework login and logout views. Add the following to your... I will. Thank you very much. To our root URLs file. So we're here. There we are. There we are. Right. There we are. Note that the URL path can be whatever you want. Any global REST framework, blah 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 blah. So I don't not really know what serializers are, and I don't intend to use them. So we are not going to. Drinking tea. Any global settings for a REST framework API kept. I will eventually want these, so I'll add them. REST_framework. I'll add them for like an eventual. Just put them here. There we are. It should be fine. Tutorial, authentication and permissions. I want eventually to have some stuff here, but not now. Not now. We are not... Oh, it's way too bloated to be using this. We should just use Flask and make a giga simple API, but whatever. We are bloated. Lovers here. Hello, Sean. Chicken chow mein. Would you like to help me with my API making? How do I make a function-based view? Because they are easier and clearly the best of what we want. No. Oh, I'm looking in the wrong place. Tutorial. I want function-based views, please. Can I get a function-based view, please? Can I get a function-based view, please? Where are my function-based views? I want some function-based views, but I can't find them. Function. Ah. Is this the only link? How else would I have found that? API guys, views. Is it in here? Oh, whatever. Who cares? We are doing function-based views because that's what I prefer. The core of this function is the API view decorator. It takes a list of HTTP methods that your view should respond to. Correct. Okay, so we want to create a view that basically returns our capital city, right? Although, is our view going to be multiple views, or do we just want one view? So do we want to have the requests? Okay. I think we're going to want to use get, right? But we want to use multiple get requests for our view. So an API request should really... You've had it up to here with code. Well, you can watch me code then and fail at it epically if you want to. I can show you the OB. Look where the OB is. Look at how cute my dog is, everyone. Wow. Oh, he's a good boy. My horrible cable management. You're never meant to see that, but there it is. There we go. Hello. Okay, we're back. Alright. It's my glasses case. Alright, there we are. Back to the boring code. So, yeah, I kind of need to figure out what my APIs are going to look like. So, do I want them... Create a basic API. Yeah, okay, so I kind of want it... So, you need to go like /trivia and then the category that you want. Or do we go /trivia/capital like that? For our capital cities only. Maybe we want that. Let's just do that for now. It's easier, although not the final one. I guess eventually we'll have a basic trivia API that can call both capitals and landmarks as well as everything else. There we are. Very cool. Right. So that just makes things much easier. Views. Okay, we need to copy some code here from the internet, which is where we get all the code. Right. Paste. Whoa. 2DD. Up. Paste. New. So, let me just make some Migrations here. Close this. Zoom out a bit. He is a Donny. Python manage py make migrations. Migrate. This basically makes sure my database is in sync, which it might be, although it doesn't really matter. Right, there we are. The core of this functionality is the API view decorator, which takes a list of HTTP headers that your view should respond to. For example, this is how... Right, okay, that's what I wanted. Where is our API auth? Is that right? What? Yeah, localhost :8000 / API auth. API? How do I get to the browsable API? How do I get to a browsable API? My API browser. Should be API /auth, right? Framework browsable API. Browsable API. Base? Nope. URLs. Well, how do I get there? Where was it there? API.html? Maybe it's not there because I've got no API views there. What have you? URLs. Path. Views. Move me. Whoa! Test. Message. Hello. Hello. It is working. Path. Test / views.test. Name equals test. Is this how we work? I believe it is. /test. This is wrong. That is right. Cannot apply permissions that does not have a .get query set. I don't understand what that means. I actually do. But that's fine. Because we are going to just hash that out and it should work. Okay. Oh, we did it. Right. Fine. Cool. We did it. Get test. It works. Hooray. Okay. Now we can figure out how to integrate this at API view def capital request do, and now we need to figure out how to run return response. Hello. That's just a placeholder. It's a broken placeholder. It's a correct placeholder. Right, so now we need to test how to call our earlier function from this place in the Python. So to do that, I'm actually going to go into my web, like this, Python manage py shell. Very cool. Python relative import. Let's see if this will work. Let's ask Uncle Google. I believe it will just work, right? import dot 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 dot. How do we do a relative import? I'm not very sure, but we can certainly figure this out. I don't want to make a package. That's like no fun at all. From dot dot import there. From dot dot import dot 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 dot. How have I done this on other memes? Let's find my this one. Okay, that doesn't count. That's me again. Hello, me. Meet the real me. Is this it? Is this one that be here? No. Showing you all my private GitHub repos, but they're all probably fine. This one, everyone knows what this is. Core. I import core, right? How have I done that? Views. Core. Core. No. Helpers. Core. This function should not exist, just a way of hacking around the fact that I cannot get this core script. Oh. Why do I do core, man? Where do I call my core? Clean up crew? No. How do I search on GitHub for something? No. Where would I have done it? It's in celery. Where's celery? Tasks. There, they'll be here. Core. From? No. Oh, settings.core. I've done it smartly. Smartly? Not a word. I've done it correctly. So I made it as a settings variable. I can't imagine this is a very entertaining stream. I'm very sorry. I probably should have done all this off stream, just because it's very boring. Core scripts. Well, that's what we got. Resolve.parent. Oh dear. Core scriptster. We're gonna call it. What are we gonna call it? API scriptster. Happy. Nice. And we'll rename scripts to functions. Functor. // API func. How do I do it? Trivia API underscore functions. Yeah, API underscore functions. Okay, very cool. Let's see if that works then. How did I actually import it? Sys.path. Ugh, that is grim, man. So you go here, you go in. This seems insane. Insane in the membrane. There we go, can you see that? Move myself up there. There we are. Import sys. From Django.conf import settings. Oh, what did I call it? API functor. Okay. And now we should be able to run our API script somehow. Somehow, somewhere. Somehow and somewhere. Why don't I just put these relative... I don't know. I overcomplicate this massively. Oh, that should be okay. I'm even boring myself. I can't imagine how everyone else is feeling. All 0 of my viewers. You're the big guys. CD, blah blah blah. ls API functions, capitals.py. So I want to call capitals.py from here. Import capitals. Oh, No. What? Oh. Dot resolve parent parent parent. I think that's correct. Dot capitals. Okay. So I want to do import get. Yeah, this is dumb that they're in the wrong place. Import pod create, and that just works. What's in the core script stir that makes that work? It's just a file name. Oh, so the config is wrong then? This is not correct? Let's have a look. So it's parent. Ah, we're one parent too many. You know, we're like an old person. We have 2 parents and not 3. I feel like this might fix the problem. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da. Import this. Then we go. That one. Okay, good. So far, so good. And then what was it? Import capitals. Why? Why isn't it working? Is it just because it's insane to do it this way? It is insane to do it this way. Oh, have I got this completely backwards? Maybe. Quite possibly. Let's have a look. Do I have config.py? What's in there? Oh, that's nothing. I thought I might have like an init.py file there. Yikes, this was a while ago since I worked on this, isn't it? Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. API functor, path file resolve, da 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 da. Oh, why don't I just run this? Path __ file. What does that do? Path, import path, what? Path. From path. Import path. You can tell I'm not really a Python aficionado with all my messing up I'm doing, can't you? Import path. Oh. Why can't I build it off base dir? What's base dir? Based dir? This is the wrong directory. Path __ file. What is that? Path. Oh. Path dot resolve. Okay. Dot parent. One parent and parent. Dot resolve dot parent. No. Dot parent. Is this what we're doing? Again, the reason we're doing this is to try and call our API scripts that we wrote last time from Python, from Django, which is, I know, crazy. Import sys, import capitals, okay, capital. Not working. It's not working. Why are we no work? Why don't I print that? Let's just see. Will that run? I'm confused. Oh, it should run when we... I bet this is because I'm doing it wrong. Right? This has to be the case. I'm actually doing this wrong. I think the triple parent must have been correct. .parent, and then in like views, we'll do it here in test. From Django.conf import settings. Right, so then we get that variable from Django. Okay. And then print we need our sys.path insert. There we are. Like this. Copy. Port sys. There we are. Very nice there. Settings. Dot. API. Func. I really named that poorly because I keep having to check. That is the correct name. Print settings dot api func. There we are. Right, now we should finally, forever and ever, find out what is causing this problem. Refresh. It didn't print. Super refresh. Talking to the API func. It is working. What the fuck are you doing? Dynamically change this path. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing it incorrectly. That's all I know. Aye. I'm trying to import this function here. Django import functions from outside path. Maybe this answer will help me. Path append. Dynamically change. Will that break things if I dynamically change sys path? Oh, dearie me. I'm feeling quite embarrassed to be streaming this, to be perfectly honest with you. It is very bad. Very, very bad. Just embarrassing myself. At least I'm showing people how little knowledge I know. Maybe that's a bad thing. I want to import, so I have, let me go back here, back one more. So I have this API functions directory here, API functions. I want to import this capitals.py file, and I'm running it from here. I believe this is the base. Let me check. Print settings.base. I think that will tell me. Base dir is there. Dev trivia API. Okay, so I'm trying to import from this directory into this one. Trivia. Does that exist? Yes. Yes. So this should be correct, right? Why are you doing like that? Because I'm an idiot, mainly. I should just put them in here, right? I feel like if I move them, all my problems will stop. You have Django apps. Yeah, but... Yeah, like... I don't know. You should use Django structure. Yeah, I know. Especially because this is all the Django app. Anyway. I could just put them in there here, couldn't I? Sure. This is that'll make it easier, won't it? I mean, do I create a new app just for my Django functions, or do I put them in where they will be called and just put like make a new? I kind of want to make a new directory then. I'll make a new directory. Let's do that. I could write them directly in the views as well, but I like having this separation. I don't know. Okay, so we've got, okay. So now, if I move the, but I've got like a JSON file as well that these call. So these call this folder here. Now I could put that in a database, but I don't want to put it in a database. This is why I should have used Flask. So I've got this file in data, and I've got functions in here. Why is it hard just to relatively import things? I don't know. This is so dumb. Let's just test something. Oh no, we put the slash on the end. Right? Yeah. Oops. Let's start you again. Like this. Okay. API functions. Right, and you're not working for some reason. Trivia API functions. What happens if I... I'm not... something I'm not getting quite right. From dot import... with no known parent. What is going wrong with me? Okay, I want to sleep. Yeah, I kind of want to go as well. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. This is terrible. Oh. Thanks for coming by though, I do appreciate it. Even though you just had to watch me suffer in lots of pain and anguish. Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working? Yada 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 yada. Stupid. Why did I do it like that? That's 2 years ago I did that, and I'm looking at it now like, oh, this is clearly the way it's still done. I can do it. I hope so, Bushnelly. I hope I can do it. But we are struggling. Python import relatively. I don't know if that. No, that's done. That's done. Django. Django. Python use scripts from directory outside structure. Oh. Okay. Okay. So he does it with imports. Unresolved. From dot to relative. Okay, so path insert. Oh, have I even tried it? Import. Maybe it just works. What? Module level import not at top of file or whatever. Maybe it just works and it was gonna work all the time. Oh. We crashed. No module found. Name capitals. Aye. From dot. Right. Cannot import capitals from trivia. Print sys.path. Let's have a look and see if it's in the path. I don't think that would work anyway. Let's do a breakpoint. Breakpoint. Oops. Breakpoint. There we are. Refresh. Right, so we're in the Python debugger. We're a step further from where we were. So let's just try it. Import capitals. Sys.path. Is there a way to print this nicely? What? But this is correct. From API functions import invalid impact. Oh, from API functions. From dot dot. No, they're in. It's not in the same Django app, Dad core. It is up a directory from where Django sits. So let me do a sketch. I could just type the tree command, but this is what we're gonna do because we're visual storytellers on this channel. So, hello? Oh, damn gimp. Right. So we've got, okay, Django, D. Django lives here, and like it's got its Django apps, okay? And then a directory above this, so up a directory lives my funcs. And I want to be like, from an app, I want to import a function and it to return data to here. That's what I want to do with my Django app. So I will actually close that. I mean, maybe I could mint this as an NFT. Ha ha ha. We're not going to do that though. I could though, if anyone wants it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's gone forever now. Damn. I'll have to screenshot the stream. But we've got the attempted relative import beyond top. But this won't work. No. Am I spelling this correctly? Import. What? That's. Why did that work? Capitals. Oh, I spelled it wrong! Oh no! It was a spelling mistake. Ah! Oh, goodness me. Fuck. I mean, oh dear. Import capitals. I will change that name right now. Capitals. MV capitals. Capital. Just to make sure. Oh god, I'm crying with anger. It's okay. My dog is comforting me. Ah. Capitals. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm trying to make sure I'm spelling capitals correctly, but capital city. Hello, look at my dog. He's just like, why are you crying? He's a good boy. Oh, goodness me. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's alright. There we Cap I tell. Okay. I'm just a numpty. Cap I tell. Aye. Oh, he's trying to come up. Come on. Sorry, I think you'd want to see this. Come on! Come on! Come up! Come on! You can do it! Ah! Come on! There we are! There we are! Oh, he emerges! Hello! Say hello! Hello! Oh. He's like, you spelt them wrong, I know you're an idiot, but I still love you. I love him too. He can't fit on the chair. Come on. There we go. Oh, Christ. There he is. Right, now he's my little helper now. We have a dog. He's the mascot of the stream. Little Obi, his name is. You smell a bit, mate. He's trying to get comfortable. Ow! Oh. Alright. Okay, there we are. Yep. I have all sorts of foodstuffs on my desk that I don't want him to eat. Anyway. We'll try and work with him in shots. Oh. There we go. He is. He's a 1-year-old Labrador. Ow. Import what did I call it? Capital. MV capital. I want it to be called capitals. Stop eating. Right. Ah. Capitals. Okay, and then we do. Ah, he's crushing my arm. Oh, okay. Capital. Oof. What are you doing? I can't see my screen. Oh, okay. Maybe you can see what he's doing, but I can't. Capital. Ovi, I need some help here, mate. You need to help me. You can't choke me out. We need to call capitals, Obi. Do I have bat installed? I do. Bat capitals. Look at that command, by the way. Very cool. Get underscore capital question. Question? Do I return something there? Why does it print? We need here to return, make Jessen. Ow! Oh, my neck is being broken. This man gets away with murder. Local variable correct assignment never used. What? What? Whatever. Huh? Oh, right. Well, it was always like that. Okay. Let's try that. Question equals capital dot. Oh. There we are. He's crushing me. Oh. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. There we go. There we go. That's nice and comfortable. Right. Cap. I'm very bad at spelling, and it has been the cause of lots of anguish in this stream. Capitals dot get capital question. Unexpected indent. Oh yeah, return question. There we go. Wow. Question. I'm not working under these conditions, so you can see how bad my spelling is going. But it's worth it because I get cuddles. Ow! He's stomping on me, trying to... What is in with you? He thinks it's weird. He thinks I'm talking to myself. He's like, I can't deal with this. I know. I know. Oh. I think someone needs a walk. Why is this not working? Oh, we should start it. It started. I should remove the breakpoint. The breakpoint is removed. Refresh. Okay. Now we need to go to capital. No. Yes, I need to make a URL. Views.test, views.capital, name. I could just put dot there. Oh, my Vim skills are not good. I mean, they're really good. Watch my most recent video. He's slipping. He's slowly slipping off me. What? Oh, we've got another problem. Ovi, what are you doing? It's okay. Ow. Ugh, no. So the problem is now, this is wrong, but I could just do like dot slash 1, 2, 3. That work? No. 2 dot slash data. It's alright, Hope. Oh, mate. It's a bit warm in here for you. How many do we do here? 1. Oh. Yeah, it's 3. Dot slash dot slash. Sorry, I'm just thinking in my head now. Takes us. What about if we just do 2? Why can't that be found? Oh, what about just dot slash? Would that work? Aye. Capitals. Dot slash. Alright. Oh, maybe it's 1. Oh, this is all sorts of trial and error here. See, this is what a regular day looks like for me at work. Ah, it worked. Okay, it was just the 1. It was just the 1. So, expected a response, but received a dict. Right, you did receive a dict. I might need to make it into JSON. Oh, what did I do here? Yeah, I won't do that. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so we need JSON dumps. Views. Import JSON. One of my good mates called JSON. Return JSON.dumps. Is this correct? Ah, okay. Oh, maybe that's wrong, though? I think that's wrong. I think I just want that. Yes. Okay. We now have an API. Hooray. Curl this. JQ. Ah! It works! We did it! Celebration time, eh? Oh, extremely basic API is now in place. We're gonna probably eventually make some... Ovi, it's okay. I think that's all for now, everyone. I think... yeah, I'm celebrating too. I think that's all for now. So we've got our API working. I'll commit that code off stream. Got the API working at a very base level. I guess next stream will be adding remake it in C. Yes, that was discussed last stream, writing the actual API functions in C, which we could do, right? We've got all this insane relative imports going on anyway, so why not do them in C? So that's a stretch goal. So we're gonna I'm gonna commit this code now. And then I'm going to add some rate limiting on it. So I want to limit it, say, like, one IP can do it 1,000 times a day. Just so it doesn't... I mean, no casual user is going to get capital city questions more than 1,000 times a day. So, yeah, if someone's doing it more than that, they're abusing it. But they could pay me to make it more. So, yeah, that's the plan. And then we'll do that, and we'll also figure out how to... host it. So we'll try and host it somewhere and then have the API actually hosted up and working. So some actual infrastructure, which is what I'm good at. Unlike this whole stream, which was basically trying to figure out relative imports. But anyway, all done now. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. See you all next time. I'm going to take my dog for a walk. He needs one. All right.